Welcome to Saddique Tech. Today's tutorial is how to copy text while talking in presentation. So let's move on to the point.
I have already set my sentence by separating each word at its own box. Then let me insert the audio by clicking File menu. Go to Insert Audio and click on it. My audio is on my desktop. I don't know where your audio is. Either in a folder, you can insert it. Let me play and hear it before inserting the animations for each word.
This is a presentation package which is used. Let us insert different animations for each word by clicking on the text box. Click on Animations. The presentation package has so many animations. Click on drop down arrow. Click on More Entrance Effects. You may choose any of your choice and click OK. As we did for this word, we may continue keep doing it for each word. Now we have date for the whole sentence, and there is one more thing to say. I mean the duration. If you leave it at the first time, your presentation will not attach to the voice as you want. You must set it to be perfect. Let me play and watch it. This is a presentation package which is used to animate text and graphics in a presentation. So amazing.